This is the Thunderbolt 3 Gen 2 docking station. And I want to show you one thing. This is a Thinkpad P1 Gen 2, which is identical to the X1 Extreme Gen 1 or Gen 2. They always need 135 watt chargers. However, if you have this docking station and if you want to charge your laptop, you need this kind of cable. As you can see, this is magnetic and it's USB-C and the standard Lenovo charger. And now is the thing that I don't like, or that was confusing for me. Look at this. This is a 230 watt charger. You have to connect it to the back. And this is a 135 watt charger. So you need two chargers for this docking station in order to charge one laptop. I know it's confusing, or it doesn't make sense, because this charger has 230 and I think it should be enough, right? No, you need one 230 watt and one 135 watt. And this here, this is the other end. You see, the laptop is connected only through this. So you need two chargers for this. If you just have one charger, then you only connect it here with the 135 watt, and then you will charge your laptop with USB-C slowly, so it will show slow charging. So if you need the full potential, if you use all the power and you still want your laptop to charge, then you need two. You need two from those. And this thing, I don't know why it's expensive, man. It's $230 just for that. And the funny thing is, this cable was not even included, so I had to... First I bought this one. It was with a standard 135 watt charger. Then I had to order the 230 watt charger and this cable. I forgot the name, I will write it in the description. It's called Lenovo Split cable. This one. And this one. Thanks for watching.